We're going through an amazing crew, beautiful beach wedding from Brisbane, and they're creating the setup for us, having 4 rows of chairs either side of the aisle, and the aisle's made up with the sort of Hessian, the neutral coloured runner in going across in a T, and then we're having a 4-post TP, would you call it, at the end of the aisle, with some nice white silk material draping off that.
On behalf of Rowan and Jess and their parents Wayne and Lynelle, Ken and Melissa, I'd like to welcome you here today. It certainly is a momentous occasion, isn't it?
I take you, Rowan, to be my husband.
I love you, Jessica.
As I love no other.
As I love no other.
Rowan, you may now kiss your bride.
Yay.